Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you have been wanting to build a website but don't know where to start, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use WordPress, the most popular website builder in 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create and manage your own website from start to finish. Let's get started. So let's talk about what WordPress is. WordPress is a content management system or CMS that allows you to create websites without needing to know how to code. It's flexible, easy to use, and perfect for beginners. Uh, whether you are building a blog, portfolio, or even an online store. In 2025, WordPress is still as powerful as ever, and its powers over 40% of 40% of all websites on the internet. You can start for free and grow your site as your needs expand. To get started, you will need to sign up for WordPress. You can either go to wordpress.com and use the hosted version of self-host by using a service like Bluehost. I recommend self-hosting because it gives you more control, but for beginners, wordpress.com is a great way to get started. If you are going the self-hosted route, you will first need to purchase hosting and a domain name. After, you can install WordPress with just a few clicks from your hosting dashboard. Once you have logged in, you will land on the WordPress dashboard. This is where you will manage your entire site. Let's go over the key section like posts, where you will create blog posts, then pages for static content like about, contact, or service pages. Media, where you can upload and manage images, videos, and other files. Appearance, where you can change the design of your site using themes, plugins for adding extra features and functionality to your site. Now let's make your site look good by choosing a theme. Themes control how your site looks and feels. WordPress has thousands of free and premium themes available. To get started, click Appearance, then Themes, then search for themes based on your style or the type of website you want to create. Once you find a theme you like, click Install and then activate. Then customize site. Now that your theme is installed, let's customize it. In Customizer, you can change things like your site's title, colors, logo, from style section, homepage layout, add a favicon, and much more. Click around and try it try out different settings until your site feels right. Don't worry, you can always change these settings later. Next, let's add some content to your site. Start by creating a post. Posts are used for blog entries to news updates. Go back to posts section, then click add post, enter a title of your post from here, write your content and hit publish when you are ready. Now let's create a page. Pages are used for static content like your about, contact, or services pages. Go to pages, then add page, write your content, title, and click publish. One of the best things about WordPress is its flexibility. You can extend its functionality by adding plugins. Go to plugin section, then search like contact form, plugins or security plugins like WordPress. Click install and activate it, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will be happy to help. So leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and good luck with your WordPress website.